Hi, and I'm a little bit shy of making videos like this, and I made lot of videos, but that time I am not saying anything, so that now I'm little bit shy, and I have confidence to do this, and my mother is with me, so that I have more confidence, and this is my this is my first video that which I'm facing and talking. Make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe to all videos. You should subscribe. You should comment. Hi, Nani Rubik's Cube. Sorry, I'm Bono. Hi friends, today I'm going to say you that how I solved the Rubik's Cube. First time I didn't get how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Then I checked in the YouTube. Then I got how to solve the Rubik's Cube. When I continuously did and practice more, and it became success. Like my mother say, practice makes man perfect. And before I don't know, then I tried a lot of times. And if you cannot do it, then don't stop. You can continuously do it. And the confidence is my mother is with me. She's recording the video. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for it. Thank you.